6 Radio, this Magic 6 Radio is too much masarap kasi Sim Jollibee kabayan.
Yeah, no, you know what we are doing? We are giving the news about what happened here in Saudi and all the Filipino OFW. We are helping them. Like you. So what is in your mind that you are helping needed, the people who can help? Are you happy for that?
Yeah, I am excited. Actually, this one too. Kasi ako Saudiano. So ako want to change. You know, I want to let people know that Saudiano, we are trying. There are nice people. And it's good that I am the Filipino. Kasi ako always play basketball. Sama-sama yung kabayan. If they miss the basket, they will call foul. If they make the basket, no foul. Ano ba yan?
So, can you greet John Godfrey? He's also your followers in Jeddah.
Okay. Shout out to John.
Godfrey.
John, again?
John Godfrey.
John Godfrey. Shout out to John Godfrey kasi this boy is not babae. Only one jowa ang tapos ng kabayan. You all watch John Godfrey kasi he is a good guy. And this is Saudi Pinoy, huh?
Shuttlers. Shuttlers. They are playing badminton.
Oh, he does? So, what's the name?
Shuttlers.
Shuttlers. Come on, this is Saudi Pinoy and this is shout out to Shuttler. Kasi this boy, mukhang lahat kasi
Alright. Okay. Thank you so much. And please continue what you are doing. You are helping not only Filipino, you're helping everybody who needs help. So Allah will bless you more, inshallah. And God bless you. Thank you so much.
Thank you also so much. And I hope that stop putting too much makeup. Kasi no need. Look colorful.
Hello, Shankar.
It's colorful and too much mayaman.
Too much beautiful, huh?
Mayaman.
You know who's making a video for us? Lion Paul. His name Lion Paul.
Thank you, Lion Paul, for making the video, editing the video, and take care of this lady kasi she need your Salamat.
Thank you.
Thank you.